15 trades in a row without a single minus. This is possible only by trading according to a certain strategy. Trend is our strongest factor for entering a trade, but many people use it incorrectly, and instead of this picture, they get this one. Just two simple rules I will tell you in this video, and you will be able to close 5-6 trades with a sure profit. Well, to copy my account, follow the link from the description. Guys, I am already in the process of finding my first trade. In order for our strategy to close more than 5-10 trades in a row, we need a strategy that has a clear pattern. So you should understand that if we have 15 trades in a row that all close in plus, it is not just luck, but also a certain pattern of transactions, all of which should be made with clear criteria to reduce the luck or factor to a minimum. And now I will tell you about one method which can bring either a lot of pluses or a lot of minuses if the market suddenly changes. Look what we see in a classic situation. We see here a very good horizontal level. It is formed by several touches on the chart. The last touch and this doji candle only confirms this level. Accordingly, it is a magnet for the price. Accordingly, we can predict the breakdown of this level. What will happen after the level is broken. We all realize that we are the next important level which the price will continue to strive for. Therefore, if we see a breakout of an important zone and do not see any obstacles, so we have no further horizontal levels here. You see that we just had a continuous fall here. Respectively, we are expecting a continuous growth to the next zone, which is here. We can open in all the time frame to see what global zones we can have in the future, and accordingly, if nothing prevents our growth after breaking this level, you and I will open a lot of beautiful trades on the outside. For myself, I understand very well that these are the first signs of a breakout. We have a candle closes without a shadow on the top. So the first deal, it is only a third of my deposit. We can try for 1 minute to make a short trade. Perhaps our obstacle will be this area. Here we still have some local value and maybe we will react to it. In any case, look at the deal we open with you on a clear trend, and one of the secrets and the main helper of the strategy is the trend. So you can easily have 10 trades in a row in plus. Just because you have a strong trend, you trade on breakout, and as a rule, volatility at such moments is very high and all trades can close very confidently. Let's say that in 5 seconds we will close the deal, and as you can see, really got some reaction from the zone and dip, despite the fact that now was a small fall, but still we have closed this deal in a plus. I will continue to trade upwards here. Now we will wait for some correction. Here we enter the market, and a very important point that I would like to tell you about. I have an indicator which will allow you to simplify your trading so much that you will not have to worry about these levels. To build them somehow, you can add just an automatic indicator on the TradingView platform, and we are going to do it now. Meanwhile, the second trade on the trend is closing very confidently. We have tested this level again, and now we are going to the next horizontal level, which is marked here. This area will be resistance for us, so we will mark it in a red color. Now let's work with the tool with automatic level. Here we have just, now you can see the signal comes down. Let's open this currency pair simply in the broker search, write its name here. In this currency pair, the amount of $250 we will leave and open a deal for 1 minute. On the downside, we turn to a more intuitive chart. Here we have everything very simple, as I have already said. This strategy is perfectly combined with the one I told you about. We have targets. It means that we have a target to update this minimum value, and we have a target in the form of this minimum value. So after breaking through this red important for us area, the chart is ready to continue its decline to the next target. Plus, we have a confirming signal. It is very easy to set up such a system. Now we will wait for the result of this trade and I will tell you everything. I think while we have the opportunity, we should continue trading on the trend. So we open one more trade to make our chart look like this and add to use such a cool tool for free. You need to go to the TradingView website. So another deal closes quite nicely. This is the second deal on the signal. So let's return to our topic. Go to the tradingview.com. Here we need to choose absolutely any trading asset. Expand it on the full screen, and accordingly you will see the candlestick chart most likely right in the front of your eyes. We open the list of the assets, and in order to add currency pairs that we have in the pocket option platform, let's say we mark in asterisk those pairs that we have without OTS marking. Let's say this asset, so we write its name here. We must choose Forex and add this chart for any supplier by clicking on the plus sign. Here we have an absolutely identical chart as on our platform. Then we go to the indicators section. Write the name of our indicator, and here is the first indicator called support and resistance from the author of Chart Prime. We click on it once and this indicator appears on our chart. So let's move on to the next trade. Here we have already closed very well. Now I will open a position on pocket option also for 1 minute. Here we have without the minimum value, which we updated and broke through. The second very important rule when trading this strategy is a fully confirmed situation when the market is consolidating above or below a level. Here we have a green level. Let's make it bolder, and the consolidation is considered with the candle with a fully formed body, preferably of a confident size. Let's say this one, or at least this one, breaks through this level, and that is here we fully consolidate without any such tears. So it gave us some confidence when entering this trade. We have broken through the level, impulsive movement, and our next goal is to break through this area and update the next minimum values, which are at this level. Accordingly, after consolidation under the support zone, we can also trade down the next support zone. So we have a good trade update and consolidate over the last maximum value. So I open a deal to continue the movement. As you may have noticed, we already have 5 deals closed, and the plus, all these were made with clear criteria. So if you want to get signals on similar deals, go to our free Telegram channel and at the link in the description and trade with us. So let's just wait for the end of the last trading situation and summarize the result. Well guys, completely at ease, we have earned almost 5x to our deposit. This is a great result, and today's strategy, which we have analyzed with you, was the reason for it. Thank you guys for watching this video brought to you by the Take Profit team. See you next time.